California's Lemon Law protects buyers of faulty vehicles by offering refunds, replacements, or compensation. It applies to new, leased, certified, pre-owned, and some used vehicles still under warranty. To qualify, the defect must impair the vehicle's use, value, or safety, persist after reasonable repair attempts, and not result from owner misuse. While the law provides strong protections, pursuing a claim can be complex due to legal deadlines, incomplete repair records, and manufacturer disputes. Hiring a skilled Lemon Law attorney is crucial for navigating these challenges, gathering evidence, and handling negotiations or litigation. Attorneys evaluate claims, collect documentation like repair invoices and service records, and present evidence to strengthen cases. They also negotiate with manufacturers to secure refunds, replacements, or compensation, and represent clients in court when needed. Legal representation often works on a contingency fee basis, ensuring access to legal help without upfront costs. To pursue a claim, consumers should maintain detailed records, notify manufacturers of defects, and consult an attorney promptly. Choosing an experienced lawyer with proven success, strong communication skills, and positive client reviews increases the chances of a favorable outcome. California's Lemon Law empowers consumers to assert their rights and protect their investments. With expert legal guidance, car owners can secure fair resolutions and receive the quality and safety promised in their warranties. If you have a lemon, please call Julian McMillan at McMillan Law Group at 619-7959430. That's 619-7959430, or email us at julian@McMillanLawGroup.com for your free case evaluation.